WordPress 6.0 will be the second major release of 2022. While WordPress 6.0 isn't the end goal that WordPress is moving toward, it surely represents a significant milestone. If you want to know about this new future release, keep watching. With WordPress 6.0, theme developers can now include multiple style presets that can instantly change the look and the feel of a web page. This is one of the most important changes coming to WordPress, and it's one of the most awaited features coming with WordPress 6.0. The global style feature is a critical feature for WordPress. It provides theme designers a way to make it, so theme authors can now bundle multiple sets of global styles with their themes, enable users to switch between style variations with a single click. To add a style variation to your blog theme, you will add an alternative JSON file into a styles folder located in your theme's root. This file controls colors, fonts, custom CSS, page width, and other relevant factors. This is its icon. When you first click on it, you get a styles welcome message. Let's take a look into this. Themes supporting global styles variations show a new browse style item in the global style sidebar. This brings to a panel where theme users find a list of the available styles. Then you decide on a global style from the list, and the styling is automatically applied to your entire website. This is a way to get a drastically different look with just a single click. I think it's a starting point to showcase the real power of blog themes and what can actually be done. The latest version of 2022 theme features now 3 styles variations. Block patterns was introduced back in time, but it has been regularly improved over time. In WordPress 5.9, we were introduced to the pattern directory. As you know, we can place any block pattern into a website. It is loaded in the block inserter. It provides to users a quick and easy way to find popular patterns to use in the website. Did you know that anyone can contribute and become a pattern developer due to a new online tool, the Pattern Creator? So it means you build, you edit, and you submit your best blog pattern to the pattern directory. The only condition, though, to submission is to have a WordPress.org account. Another useful feature, especially for developers, is adding recommended patterns to the theme JSON file. As an example, I insert this pattern into my page. I save it, and I want to suggest this to my users. What can I do is to grab the pattern slug from the browser URL and then add it to the theme JSON file. You only need to add these 2 lines of code. By doing so, your users can easily find your suggested pattern in the block inserter. I will leave this link below in case you want to try. Full-site editing development has not ended with 5.9. As a matter of fact, with WordPress 6.0, we are moving things a step further, improving visual theme functionalities as well as delivering new templates options for blog themes. A great feature introduced with WordPress 6.0 is an improvement on the blog themes export tool. This allows you to download the current theme in use with all of your custom features and customizations. To find this, navigate over to the options sidebar and locate the tools section. You will find an export button allowing you to download the current theme in a zip file. Then what you can do is obviously install it on any other WordPress website. Another great feature is we have new template options. The WordPress latest version will provide more options in template creation like author, category, date, tag, and taxonomy, meaning that you can build archive pages for these new options. We have more blocks. The Read More block, it will come as a separate block in the latest version of WordPress. The great benefit, instead of the previous version where you only have the text option, is that it allows you to design in a much more visually appealing way by selecting different text, background, border settings for the link. We also have the query loop block advancements. WordPress 6.0 provides switching over the products category with full site editing. It also allows filters by multiple authors. We also have the post-author biography block. As the name suggests, post-author biography can now be used to include the author's biography avatar block. We also have comments block. It's a suite of child blocks that enables you to customize the layout and style of the section directly from the editor. Other things like pagination and comment dates. We have some list view improvements. With this new version, when you click on a block in the editor, the block is automatically highlighted. If the block is nested in a parent block, the parent block itself expands, showing you the item in the block 3. Another improvement is that the list view is by default collapsed. Whenever you open up the list view panel, it's expanded by default. I think it helps a lot since a post consists of multiple nested blocks. So with this improvement, what happens now is that it becomes easier to understand its structure and position. Another improvement is for accessibility improvements. Whenever you open the list view or when list view closes, the focus is not always dropped back on the trigger. So now it works with the escape and the close button keys. Another change is the ability to select multiple blocks at the same level and drag and drop them to another position within the list view. Just press the Shift key and you select multiple blocks at the same time and then drag wherever you want. Another change is the new block locking feature. Once click the lock option, a modal appears allowing users to disable any action of the block. It is freeze, so to speak, to prevent its removal. It could be useful to prevent any accidental editing change, especially when working in more complex layouts within the list view. I would love to hear regarding the following. So my group is locked. However, even if it's locked, I still can make some tweaks from the sidebar. Let's change the background. So I really don't quite understand the utility of this feature because to me, being locked means I am unable to perform any action. Let me know in the comments below if you came out with another answer. Another change is the block styling retaining. When you transform a block into a different block, as I'm doing here, the new feature will keep the block style, including colors and typography. For example, I'm switching this paragraph block into a list view, and as you can see, it will remain the same style. A new web font API now provides a standard way to load web fonts into WordPress. With this new release, you can only register a new web font from your theme JSON file. Keep in mind the web font API only registers fonts that are required to render blocks on the current page, and that's particularly useful with web fonts defining style variations. In addition, the API optimizes the number of HTTP requests by registering and including fonts by font family. In short, you have a lot of advantage and benefits, such as responsive fonts connected with global styles. There you have it. This version will be released on May 24, 2022. I recommend you test it to get used to the new way WordPress full site editing works. Expect more flexibility in the site editor and more customization options. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel or smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.